Hello Goddess, Dr. Marie Mbuni here, and this is day 11 devotion with Lilith with the frequency of sovereign wildness. Not many people know Lilith. I recently had an incredible journey of healing, self-guided, where Lilith appeared to me. That's a story for another day. And I wanted to introduce her to you and also to bring this notion that our wildness, our untamed nature is sacred. So please go ahead and get ready for the practice. Today we are going to do a body reclamation journey. So gently close your eyes and connect to your breath, inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the mouth with a gentle sigh. One more time, inhale through the nose, dropping into yourself, and exhale, let everything that is outside of you dissolve. Calling yourself home into your body. Remembering or starting to remember that it is safe to be in your body. And you become aware of a figure. Before you stands Lilith, wild, sovereign, untamed. And maybe as you sense this, your spine also elongates and you start to get into this sovereign position in your own practice. Her hair flows like a beautiful midnight, and her eyes are shining, blazing with fierce truth. And she whispers to you, your body is holy ground. Claim it as yours. We are now going to start the reclamation touch, a journey through your whole body. And now place your hands on your thighs and whisper aloud, these thighs are mine. This body is mine. This ground is holy. And feel that. Now allow your hands to rise gently onto your belly. It could be your lower belly or your higher belly, but wherever it feels good. And really holding your belly in your hands, allowing your belly to relax. And whisper, this belly is mine. This life force is mine. This ground is holy. And Dara Sekad, Hai Anna Asht Coast, Mira Anna Ayakana Lili Thara Asht. And now bring your hands to your breasts, supporting them and lifting them. And breathe deeply into your heart. And now whisper, these breasts are mine. This heart is mine. This ground is holy. Ken an ashkono ari. Oh, an I an aist uk ori darakanai an Now bring one hand onto your throat. Wow, the energy is so powerful that my voice has even become a little scratchy, meaning there's a lot that is being transmuted, released, and cleared from your throat. So one hand on your throat and one hand on your third eye or your crown, whichever feels good. And now whisper, this voice is mine. This third eye, this wisdom is mine. This face is mine. This crown is mine. I am sovereign. I am free, and feel the resonance of freedom in your whole body, through all your bodies, your physical body, your energetic body, your emotional body, your mental body, your spiritual body, reclaiming this wild sovereignty. Now we're moving into breath and sound activation. And take a deep inhale into your belly. Allow your belly to expand. And exhale, allow sound to rise. And it could be just a sigh or a hum or a whisper or a growl. Har arkisht. Kunu on ishna ein. Ne aish ost in aish ondara ak onum an I know ein. With each inhale, you breathe in, you allow shame, guilt to dissolve, and with each exhale, you sound your soul sound. How does it sound? Is it a whimper? That's fine. Is it a growl? That's fine. Is it a hum? That's fine. You are allowed to be exactly where you are. Kuya anaya ameya anay inaya With each sound, you are letting yourselves remember who you are. Now our final invocation. Place one hand on your womb and one hand on your heart and speak aloud. Beloved Lilith, awaken my sovereign wildness. I reclaim my voice. I reclaim my body. I reclaim my freedom. And bring your hands into prayer position. Bow to the goddess and express gratitude for this practice. And to the goddess Lilith, thank you so much for joining me. Aho. And so it is.